Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make a watch out of paper. This will be a simple origami watch tutorial, and I'll be showing you how to make something like this. An awesome little origami watch that you can actually wear on your wrist. It is completely and fully wearable. That is one of the best things about this watch. Pretty cool. All right, it's actually pretty easy to make. I'm going to place this to the side. We're going to get a fresh sheet of paper over here. I'm going to show you how to make it, okay? Now, you need to start with a square sheet of paper. Now, I just have regular printer paper here, and I'm going to turn it into a square. If you have a square sheet of paper, you can skip this step. But I'm just going to turn this into a square, so I'm just going to go the edge to edge right over here. We're going to give it a nice fold, just like that. Well, we didn't do that exactly properly. We're going to do a better fold because, you know, you got to start with a pretty precise square. If you start with a nice precise square, it's actually going to look much better than if you sort of start off and it's not in the best scenario, okay? There we go. So now we have a pretty good square right over here. I'm going to take this pair of scissors. We're going to cut this off just like that. And we are going to get our watch going. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have a nice square sheet of paper. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to fold it from corner to corner. So I've actually done that one time. I'm just going to do it as if we were starting with a fresh square. So go corner to corner, okay? Give it a nice crease like that, nice solid crease, okay? Then unfold it. Now you want to go the other corner to the other corner. So once again, other corner to the other corner. Let's try that one more time. Corner to corner, give it a nice crease just like that. I promise you, once we are working with something smaller, I'll adjust the camera angle so that it's a bit better, okay? So then we're gonna unfold it. Now you have a square sheet of paper that is folded with these lines like that. Now notice these are valley folds, okay? The mountain folds are pointing up, valley folds are pointing down, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn it into a diamond, as I've done right over here. Now we're going to get the bottom corner of the diamond, and you want to fold it up towards the center line right over there, okay? So we're taking the bottom, we're folding it up towards the center line just like that. Going to give it a nice crease. Now we're going to take the bottom line, fold it up towards that exact same center line that we just folded to right over there. Let's try that one more time. Okay, just like that. Give it a nice crease, just like that. I think I folded it a bit too far. We're going to adjust it. All right, so once again, just to clarify, bottom corner to center, and then the next line at the bottom to the center, just like that. Turn it completely around. You now have the pointed part at the bottom. We're almost ready to actually adjust the camera angle to make it a bit easier to see. Do the same thing with this side. So bottom corner goes to the center, just like that. And then the bottom edge goes to the center like that. I apologize if I'm not doing everything extremely precisely, but the paper is rather far away from me and I'm looking at it through the camera's screen, okay? So now what we have is this right over here, okay? Now what you want to do is take this, fold it in half, okay? So once again, the flaps are on the upper part, and now they're going to be on the inside. So fold it in half just like that. So you're going to end up with the corners lining up and touching each other. Make sure you do this part nice and precisely, because these are going to determine the actual watch face, some of these folds. So the more precise that you are, the easier and better that it's going to be. Okay, now we're going to turn it around just like that. Okay, so once again, all of these flaps are all on the inside over here. We're just looking at basically a flat piece of paper on the top. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take the top right corner, and there's the center line down here. Okay, top right corner, and fold it into the center like that. Okay, give it a nice solid crease. You really want to crease this down as much as you can like that. Okay, now here's where it gets just a little bit tricky, so pay attention please. You want to actually unfold it, then you want to open up this side, okay? Take this corner, push it in like that, and then you're going to fold it. So take this corner, once again, push it in like that, fold it down, okay? You now have something that looks like this. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. Take the top left corner, fold it in towards the center line, give it a nice solid crease, okay? Nice solid crease, just like that. Unfold it, open it up, okay? Take this corner, pop it inside like that, and fold it down over like that, okay? Once again, it got a little bit off center, but it's okay. We can just adjust that right now. All right, so what you have here on the sides is these little flaps that are inside. That's what was the purpose of folding that. So now what you have is something that looks like this right over here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is each of these edges on the sides, we're going to fold them in towards the center. So turn it sideways, take the edge, fold it over towards the center line, crease it. Okay, other edge, fold it over towards the center line like that, crease it. This is the easiest part of the tutorial probably by far. Flip it over, same thing with this side. Edge to the center, just like that. Let's try that again, there we go. Crease it, and then flip it over, turn it around. This edge also goes to the center, like that, and crease it, just like that. Okay, so now what you have is something that looks like this. Once again, mine's a little bit off center, but trust me, it's okay. It's really, trust me, it's gonna look great at the end, okay? So make sure at this point, I would recommend that you just push everything down, make sure that everything is folded nicely, because now we're getting towards the end. We're almost done. Now you want to turn it around so that these flaps are at the top. These openings are at the top, okay? What we're going to do at this point is we're going to fold each side over towards us at this line right here. So take this side, fold it over like that, crease it. Then we're going to take the other side, right at this line right here, fold it over, crease it, just like that. Okay, now we are literally almost done. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. All right, so what we have here, just to clarify, is the band for the watch right over here. Okay, and we also have the actual box for the watch. So as you can see right here, this is the previous one that I made. The band is right here, and the box is right here. Now we need to pop out the box. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the open side over here. And you want to just kind of lightly and nicely expand it, okay? So expand it outwards. Then you want to take the center, give it just a gentle push downwards. Look at what we made. And be gentle because it's easy to rip. Like mine, you can see right here, I ripped it right in the center right over there. Just because I was a little bit rough, so take it easy, okay? Now what you can do is you could take your pen, you could draw a watch face, or you can glue on, like you can decorate a separate watch face and glue it on, right? But what I like to do is just take a pen, keep it nice and simple. I mean, it's an origami piece here we're talking about, so keep it nice and simple. I like to just draw a nice circle on here, like that. And then I just like to draw some dots for the number markings for the watch. Let's fill it in like that, just like that. Okay, we're almost done. And then I like to take the long hand and put it, you know, somewhere random, to be honest with you. And then the short hand also somewhere random, just like that. What we've now done is we've created a watch. Now I'll show you how this thing actually, you can wear it. So obviously you want to put it around your wrist, okay? And then you can attach it on this side, and I'll show you how to attach it. You could probably do it yourself, but if you have an extra set of hands helping you, it's even easier. So what you're going to do is one of these sides slides into the other side. So check this out. So this side, let's say, would slide into that right there. Look at that. This would go around your wrist, obviously, and you have yourself a nice origami watch. It's literally that simple, that easy to make origami watch. Hopefully you've enjoyed the explanation. I tried to explain and show you each part thoroughly. Not like a video where, you know, you just get shown. I wanted to show you and I wanted to explain it so you know exactly what's going on. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.